याद गरिसकेपछि अब रिभिजन गर्ने, याद गरेको रिभिजन गर्ने। सेल्स प्लानिङ प्रोसेस, सेल्स प्लानिङ प्रोसेस के हुन्छ भने सेल्स प्लानिङ प्रोसेस सेटिङ अब्जेक्टिभ्स, इन्टरनल सिचुएसनल एनालिसिस, एक्सटर्नल इन्भाइरोमेन्ट अडिट, डिटर्माइनिङ अपरेसन्स टु मिट अब्जेक्टिभ्स, अर्गनाइजिङ फर एक्सन, इम्प्लिमेन्टिङ के हुन्छ दुईटा टाइप्स छ, डेभलपिङ स्ट्राटेजिज एन्ड कोचिङ। After that, measuring the results against standards, reevaluating and control. Sales planning process, setting objectives, internal situational analysis, external environment audit, determining operations to meet objectives, organizing for actions, implementing, developing strategies, coaching, measuring results against standards, re-evaluating and control. And the next sales forecasting methods. Sales forecasting methods is two types. Qualitative method, quantitative method. Qualitative method means user expectation, Salesforce composite, Zero executive opinion, Delphi technique, market test. And a quantitative method means time series analysis. Time series analysis, moving average, exponential smoothing, regression and correlation analysis, multiple regression model. Qualitative method, user expectation. Consumer requirements are found out directly by meeting them. After that, Salesforce composite. Sales forecast are based on the expectation and experience of the sales personnel. After that, jury of executive opinion. It is based on the opinion of the executive at the top level of management. And Delphi technique. In this method, opinion of expert is sought independently. After that, market test. The product is tested in the limited area to find out the customer acceptance of the product. And thereafter, quantitative method is time series analysis. It is a method of estimation of future trends. It is a method of estimation of future trends against. It is a method of future trends. It is a method of estimation of future trends. Based on the past performance of the organization. Then the moving average. In this method, sales are forecasted based on the sales of the previous period. Exponential smoothing. It is the further refinement of the sales. It is the further refinement of the moving average method for forecasting, sales forecasting. After that, what will be there? Next will be regression and correlation analysis. It is used for the sales forecasting of a firm. It is used for sales forecasting of a firm. A formula Y is equal to A plus BX. Then go regression multiple regression model. It will have the forecast to identify the relationship between sales and several independent variables. Sales forecasting methods, qualitative methods, user expectation. Customer requirements are found out directly by meeting them. Sales forecasting based on the expectation and experience of the salesperson. Zero executive opinion. It is based on the opinions of the executive at the top level of management. In this method, the opinion of expert is sought independently. Marketing test, the product is tested in a limited area to find out the customer expectations of the product. Quantitative method, time series analysis. It is a method of estimation of future trends based on the past performance of the organization. Moving average. In this method, sales are forecasted based on the sales of the previous period. Exponential smoothing is the further refinement of the moving average method for sales forecasting. Regression correlation analysis is used for the forecasting. It is used for forecasting the sales of a firm. Equation formula Y is equal to A plus BX. Multiple regression model. It will have the forecast to identify the relationship between sales and several independent variables. Then after that, what will be there? difficulties associated with forecasting, lack of adequate sales planning, lack of adequate sales history, lack of time, money, and qualified personnel, changing customer attitudes, fashion and fares. Difficulties associated with forecasting, lack of adequate sales history, lack of time, money, and qualified personnel, changing customer attitudes, fashion and fares. And go after that, sales personnel selection process. Sourcing the first one is sourcing the candidate, screening the candidate, selection test. Selection test can be selection test can be personality test, honesty test, psychometric test. After that, background check. After that, background check. After that, thereafter personal interview. Then letter of recommendation, then physical examination, then making the employment offer. Yes, yes, yes.